very happy morning to all my nursery babies. Why is it a happy morning today? It was so beautiful and sunny outside today in the morning when I went for my walk. With the sun shining brightly in the sky and fluffy white clouds floating by. I also saw some birds flying and little butterflies flitting around. I am going to draw all these things which I saw in the morning sky in my drawing book today. So children, why don't you all join me along with your drawing books and crayons to draw what do you see in the morning sky? Are you ready? So come, let's begin. Children, this is the date for today. Now, exactly below this date, here we are going to draw the sun. So, we will be taking our orange color crayon and we will be drawing the circle. Now children, you all know how to draw the sun. So we have the rays of the sun. Perfect. Now, next to the sun, we are going to draw the clouds. Now, I will be taking my dark blue color crayon to draw the clouds. So, next to the sun here, we are going to make bumpety curve, one more bumpety curve, another bumpety curve and join. So here we have our cloud ready. Let's make one more cloud. So children, what do you see in the morning sky? Yes, we see the clouds sailing by in the morning sky. Lovely. Are we going to color the clouds? No. The clouds are always white in color. So now tell me children, what else do you see in the morning sky besides the sun and the clouds? Correct. We see aeroplane zooming by in the sky. So, between the two clouds over here, children, we are going to draw an aeroplane. So, let us take our black color crayon. Now, between these two clouds, we are going to draw a sleeping line. Very good. Now, from this point here, we are going to make a small slanting line. Perfect. Now, from this point, we will go upwards by drawing a small slanting line. Very nice. Now, let's draw a small sleeping line. Now, from this point, again we are going to draw a slanting line. So, we come down here and stop. Very nice. And now, from this point to this point, we are going to draw our sleeping line. Is the aeroplane ready? No. We need to draw the wings. So from this point children, we draw a slanting line, a sleeping line and again another slanting line. Now let's draw the wing on the other side. So we have another slanting line, sleeping line, and a slanting line. Very nice. Now children, tell me, who flies the aeroplane? Yes, we have the pilot and the co-pilot. They sit in the cockpit over here. So this is the cockpit. And here we have the windows for the passengers. Our aeroplane is ready. Sometimes we also see another air vehicle zooming in the sky. Yes, we see a helicopter. So children, just below the sun, we are going to draw a helicopter. So we again take a black color crayon and we are going to draw the helicopter. So we make a long sleeping line, and then from here we make a bumpety curve. Now from this point children, we draw a slanting line moving upwards. So we move upwards over here. Now tell me children, what is there on the helicopter? Correct. There is a rotor on the top. Now here we make a small curve for the helicopter, and this is the place where the pilot sits, and a small door to get inside the helicopter where the passenger sits. And now we make two standing lines and a sleeping line. And you know children, what is this called? This is called landing skids. Like the aeroplane has wheels, helicopter has landing skids. This is the main rotor on the top. And here children, at this point, you have a tail rotor. So we make a small circle here and a small dot inside. Okay, so our helicopter is ready to fly in the sky. Oh well, it is already zooming by. But you don't see it every day. You see it sometimes. Now children, tell me, what else you see in the morning sky? Yes, we see the birds flying in the sky. Now children, remember, when the birds are flying up high in the sky, we cannot see their eyes or their beaks or the entire body. We just see a dot and the two wings. So see carefully how teacher is drawing the bird. So let's draw the bird over here. Okay. So we draw a small dot and then we draw one bumpety curve and one bumpety curve. Yes. Isn't it looking so cute? Now let's draw another bird over here. So we have a small dot and then we have a bumpety curve and another bumpety curve. Lovely. And shall we make one more bird here? So a dot. Now this dot means it is the body and these are the wings. Nice. Our birds are flying in the sky. Now tell me children, what else do we see in the sky? Yes, sometimes we see balloons and kites. So children, just below the aeroplane with the red color crayon. Now I am taking a red color crayon. You can choose the color of your choice. And we make a nice balloon. And a small triangle down. And that is the string. Perfect. And now let's make the kite over here. So children, you all know how to make a kite. So what do we do first? We make a standing line and we make a sleeping line. And then we join all the 4 lines. And here is the small triangle. And this is a kite. Very nice. So children, what else do we see in the morning sky? We have drawn the sun, we have drawn clouds, we have drawn the birds, aeroplane, helicopter, balloon and a kite. What else do we see? Yes, we also see some butterflies flitting around. So children, just below the helicopter, let us draw some butterflies. So, we draw a circle. 2 small dots inside. And we have the antennas. Now for the body, we will make 2 standing lines and a sleeping line. And let's make some sleeping lines inside. Now what about the wings? So we make slanting line, standing line and another slanting line. Same way we make a slanting line, standing line and slanting line. So our butterfly is having 2 wings. Now let us make a smiley mouth. So a butterfly is very happy. Let's make another butterfly over here. So same way we make the circle. We make the eyes, the antennas. We make the body. And this time let's make a bumpy curve for the wings. And a smiley mouth. So children, we have finished drawing the things we see in the morning sky. Now time to color the picture. So children, you can color the picture with the colors of your choice. When you finish coloring, your scene is going to look like this. Now if you want, you can also draw some grass down. Now, with your light blue color crayon, you can roll the crayon to show the light blue color sky. Teacher has already taught you how to roll. Yes? Now, the choice is yours. If you want to leave your picture as is, it's okay. If you want to roll to make a lovely, beautiful blue color sky, you can do that also, children. So when you roll the crayon, your sky by day drawing activity is going to look like this. Now remember, children, not to color the clouds because the clouds are white in color. Perfect, children. Very nice. Enjoy your drawing and coloring, and I will see you soon. Take care and bye-bye.